This is how the work moved. Not one big push, 35 phases, each with a place to stop, test, and prove itself. Without those boundaries, there is nowhere for the gate to run. The last episode closed on a list of checks, parse, full suite, diff stat, raw diff. None of them depend on the AI noticing anything. Gates only work if there's somewhere to put them. Episode 5 is about that somewhere. When people talk about AI productivity, they usually ask, how do I get it to write more code faster? The question has its place, but it skips something. The better question, where does each unit of work stop and prove itself? Every phase in this project had 4 parts. An entry context, the specs, decisions, and prior phases the work depends on. A scoped output, usually 1 file, sometimes 2, always bounded. A set of exit gates, parse, test, ruff, pyright, and a devlog entry. What was worked on, what the gates returned, what got corrected, and what was decided, and what the next phase can rely on. 4 parts, 35 times. Entry context, the animation spec, plus 3 strict test cases. The geometry, the sprite layer would later render against. Scope output 1 file, tree_layout.py. Binary tree node positions, edges, and sorting row mapping. Exit gates, 38 unit tests, ruff, clean, pyright, clean. Devlog, 163 of 163 tests, passing closed, 5E, ready to start. That's the shape, 1 file, 1 scope change, gates that fire before the phase closes. 3 things phase boundary gave me that one big pull request wouldn't have. 1. Containment. If the AI broke something, it broke it inside one phase. Diagnosable scope. 2. Audit. Every phase had a devlog entry. 6 months from now, you can read why a decision was made and what was tested when. 3. Recovery. If a phase failed, roll back that 1 file, not 1 branch. That's what reversed each of the phase 10 truncations from the last episode, and that's why those incidents didn't ship. None of these are AI features. They're discipline features. AI just made them more visible. That's the lesson. A phase isn't a unit of scheduling. It's a unit of containment. The smallest unit of AI work that can be reviewed independently and recovered from independently if something goes wrong. Gates catch what AI don't do. Phases give the gates somewhere to fire. The phase boundary only does its job if the work inside it is bound the right way. Episode 6, what goes inside a phase? The prompt the AI reads, the contract it has to bind to, and why locking those before the code is written is what made this methodology scale. Subscribe to see the back half synthesis, and let me know in the comments, what does your team currently treat as one unit of AI work?